The 2026 Yamaha YZ125. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the 2026 Yamaha YZ125, a legendary two-stroke motocross machine that continues to deliver razor-sharp performance, lightweight handling, and pure racing excitement. Engine and performance. The 2026 YZ125 keeps its iconic 125 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, refined for smoother power delivery and stronger mid-range pull. With its quick-revving nature and explosive acceleration, the bike remains a favorite for riders who want maximum thrill and precise control on the track. Suspension and handling. Yamaha equips the YZ125 with KYB suspension tuned for competition-level performance. The fully adjustable front forks and rear shock provide excellent stability over jumps, ruts, and rough terrain. Combined with its lightweight frame, the bike feels agile, predictable, and responsive. Chassis and braking. The aluminum frame offers rigidity and low weight, making the YZ125 incredibly easy to maneuver through tight corners or technical sections. Strong disc brakes provide sharp stopping power, giving riders full confidence at race speeds. Rider ergonomics. The updated seat design, narrow bodywork, and optimized rider triangle allow seamless movement while riding aggressively. Whether standing through whoops or leaning into corners, the YZ125 supports a natural and comfortable riding position. Track-ready features. Modern graphics, improved cooling, and refined gearbox ratios ensure the bike performs consistently through long motos. Its simplicity and lightweight design also make maintenance easier for racers and weekend riders. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 remains one of the finest two-stroke motocross machines available. It's the perfect choice for riders who want a lightweight, high-revving, competition-ready dirt bike with unbeatable fun and control on the track.